Absolute pardon, Robin Hood Carino Padilla, also known as Ruben Padilla. Crime committed. Petitioner was correspondingly charged on December 3, 1992 before the Regional Trial Court RTC of Angeles City with illegal possession of firearms and ammunition under PD 18662 through the following information: that on or about the 26th day of October 1992 in the city of Angeles, Philippines, and within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, the above named accused did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously have in his possession and under his custody and control 1 M16 Baby Armalite rifle SN-RP 131120 with 4 long and 1 short magazine with ammunition, 1 .357 caliber revolver Smith & Wesson SN-32919 with 6 live ammunition, and 1 .380 Pietro Barretta SN-835723Y with clip and 8 ammunition without having the necessary authority and permit to carry and possess the same, all contrary to law. The lower court then ordered the arrest of petitioner but granted his application during the arraignment of January 20, 1993. A plea of not guilty was entered for petitioner under he refused upon advice of counsel to make any plea. Petitioner waived in the writing his right to be present in any and all stages of the case, judgment of the case, and sentence after trial. Angeles City RTC Judge David Rosette rendered judgment dated April 25, 1994, convicting petitioner of the crime charged and sentenced him to an indeterminate penalty from 17 years, 4 months, and 1 day of reclusion temporal as minimum to 21 years of reclusion perpetua as maximum. Premises: considered the decision of the Court of Appeal sustaining petitioner convicting by the lower court of the crime of simple illegal possession of firearms and ammunition is affirmed except the petitioner is indeterminate penalty is modified to 10 years and 1 day as maximum to 18 years, 8 months, and 1 day as maximum. Reason why qualified absolute pardon. The President granted the pardon upon the recommendation of the Board of Parole, which is under the Department of Justice. President Roa Duterte said, "I just granted pardon in favor of Ruben Padilla kasi yung original pardon niya, hindi sinabi yung full restoration ng political and civil rights. Therefore, he could not travel, he could not get a permit to possess a gun again. I really do not know the dimension of what is meant by the deprivation of political and human rights. But one thing is that you cannot vote, you cannot travel, and therefore he could not be issued a passport," he said. "Basta yung pardon ko is full restoration of his civil and political rights." The President added, "Alam mo, yung crime na yan, walang nasaktan. I mean, if it's a gun, just like the knife, if it's sharp, it's potentially sharp. Ilagay mo lang sa lamesa yan, hindi mo galawin, hindi naman nakakaano yan," he said.